Hi, it's Todd with the Stop Shop here again with the 67 Firebird. As we said before, we just got this back from the paint and body work, which was a long process. Obviously, going into a restoration really for the first time for us, that was frustrating because we had a whole month or so of the car just being gone, doing the things that we weren't going to learn to paint and weld quarters and do all that work. But we've got it back now, and it's been fun to kind of dig in and do some things that we really know well, like the brake system work. You'll see the engine compartment's cleaned up a lot from where it was previously. Still some work to do just to make it, to detail it up. But one of the nice things we've put in already here is we're a wholesale distributor for the right stuff. So we were able to just pull off of our shelves one of our signature series chrome brake booster assemblies. Having sold brakes for a long time, I can tell you the install was super easy, and the quality of the chrome on this particular unit is so much better than a lot of what's out there. This is actually one of our most popular items right now, $275. You'll find a link in the comments below or in the description for the video. We did know, because we changed that booster assembly, that the proportioning valve is now different. So that meant that we went through and had to go through and redo all of the brake lines. We have a whole new pre-bent stainless steel brake line set, which is another thing that we carry. So check the comments for that as well. Really, for Camaros, Firebirds, any classic car at all, we can help you out and make sure that you actually get the right set the first time, even if you've made modifications to the brake system. So we're really excited about that. We're still going to do some rotors and caliper work down the road, but we started up here on the firewall. Another thing I was going to highlight here is we went with the Kindig-it design door handles. They were hard to install, but we think they're pretty slick. Having the door handle flush here, shave design, painted the same color as the rest of the car, obviously. Just something to make the car a little bit more unique, and I think it was worth the extra, I think it was 6-8 hours of work to get everything just perfect on that. So we're really excited. As you can see on the interior here, we've got plenty of projects to come. We'll keep you posted as we move on here. Thanks.